this is not my next piece. I think this is the next one after that that goes around the corner. And so, I'm just going to leave it right there. I think that one goes here. Okay. Get my stuff set up, situated, right? See how I'm gonna have to do all this. Okay. Oh. Most of them I kind of walk back and forth on the ground, but because this one's notched out, it gives me a little bit lighter. Okay. I can't get it any closer to that until I set it here. Now I guess I can walk that. Easy on your back, okay? Lift with your legs. Shouldn't have done that, should I? Shouldn't I have? Gotta get it back up. Gotta get it back up here. Because I have those square, or those little pockets underneath here. It makes it a little easier to slide my crowbar under there. And every once in a while I feel myself hitting or popping one of these. I just thought if I had one over here, it would make it easier in case I need to lift it. Might make it easier to slide. I wasn't sure. I'll just leave that on there and push away, huh? Let's try something different this time. Let's just leave this out. So snug there. Snug as a bug in a rug. It's going. They should have cut this one a little bit looser there, huh? Look at that gap, would you? Okay, it's still got to go some more. My persuader out. Hey, if it doesn't fit, get a bigger hammer. Right? Good grief. You know, I did some patching on that outside corner, but I didn't bring it out any further than it was before. Good Lord. Have fun taking that one out, whoever's got to do something later, huh? I got to go about 1/8 of an inch more. Quarter inch. Good grief. That's going. Get your earplugs on. I got mine on. My toilet paper in my ears. I gotta be careful not to hit it too far, huh? I want 48 inches at least. And I'm 47 7/8 right now. 47 15/16. Okay. If I have to do any minor adjustments, I'm going to have to do it down at that end, I guess. 48 and just shy of 48, and that could mean this one might have to go that way. You see, just doing that over there, I'm closer to 48. Mess with this a little bit. Boy, that was tight. That was tight, wasn't it? Wasn't it tight? Still a short 48. That one's right at 48. Last thing I want is for that paver to crack, right? Good grief. Just over a little bit. And this is in line. I can't really cop that much. I'm gonna try it a little bit more. All of them aren't going to be like this. I'll tell you that. I think I persuaded it. Almost. Yeah, I persuaded it then. All right. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. At least I got that. Now. Now I can get these full tiles in. These should be a little bit easier. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back, yes, with more videos.